Hey!
Hi, everybody.
Haven't seen you in a while. It's been about 2 months since we made a video,
Yep.
but it's for a very important reason, because your boy got a job.
Woo!
Working full-time, doing video production, video editing, but now I have a stable income.
Yay!
Isn't that amazing?
He's adulting.
He's adulting. And with a stable income, that means that I need to learn how to balance my budget.
Yes.
Specifically when it comes to buying food.
Yeah.
So we thought today would be a great opportunity to do a food budget episode.
Yeah.
Yeah! Just a quick guy.
Yeah. We'll run through how to create a budget, how to purchase food, some tips. It's gonna be great.
First things first, the first step, I guess, you need to figure out what your spending cap is.
Exactly.
And you can kind of do like the math on it based off of your income. The average food budget for a single person is around $250 to $300 a month. We did our budget based off of a $50,000 income, and after doing some quick maths, we determined that we could probably spend around $75 per week on food. Now we have our number, $75. Looks beautiful. So much money to explore at the grocery store.
So I did a little research for Cooper, and I did some Googling to come up with some budget-friendly meals that he could start off with. And then my advice would be find your local grocery store's app on your phone and start a grocery list.
They have all of the food that they sell on the app.
Exactly, because so many people do curbside pickup or delivery. So if you do that, it'll tell you how much money each item costs. It actually give you a total at the bottom, whether you go to the store and buy it or you actually order it. It's a good way to start. That way you know how much you're spending.
Yeah.
It also shows you what's on sale too.
True. And you said that a lot of these meals intertwined with
They
each
do.
other?
Yes, I think that's actually how I cook too. Like I plan my week, I only shop once a week. That's
Once
a
a
big
week.
tip. Because if you go every day, you're gonna spend $50 every day. You
Yeah.
think you're going in for one thing, you come out with 10.
It eliminates the times...
The spontaneous
the spontaneous
purchases.
yeah, it can only happen once a week if you only go once a week.
Exactly. And then I always say I buy a big pack of chicken, and I try and figure out 2 meals I can make out of the chicken.
Okay.
I buy a rotisserie chicken, 2 things I can make out of a rotisserie chicken. One of the meals is sheet pan fajitas.
Sheet pan fajita.
Sheet pan chicken fajitas. So that's basically chicken, onions and peppers, and a fajita seasoning, right? So I bought a big pack of chicken, I'm only gonna use half. Then the other half of that chicken is gonna go into a 1-pan coconut lime chicken.
Ooh.
Right?
1 pan coconut lime
Right, So
chicken.
you use the rest of that chicken in that coconut lime skillet dish.
Okay.
A Crunch Wrap Supreme, which
Ooh.
you use ground turkey for, or ground beef.
Taco Bell.
So, and then we also have a goulash, which is basically just tomato sauce and elbow macaroni and ground beef.
Is that Russian? Goulash.
A goulash.
Goulash.
And then there's also bean tostadas, which are these crunchy corn tortillas and refried beans on there. So
And
simple.
these all, like they're simple, but they sound like actual
They sound
good
delicious,
meals, right?
Exactly.
But I can see your number here, what this came out to. It's only $65.91.
Right.
For those, what was that, 5
Yeah.
meals?
And we're under budget.
And within our budget too, we're calculating that we will do a leftovers day.
Yep, we call it smorgasbord night.
Smorgasbord.
Because I make a meal every single night, and then on Thursday we take all the leftovers, we spread them out all over the table, and you just grab whatever you want. All right, so now we have our list.
Yep.
We have an estimated cost. We have a whole list of the ingredients in our app.
In the app,
Right?
yeah.
So you know what to do. So now I feel like I want to give you some practical tips on how to stay within your budget and not veer off too much, okay? One is avoid eating out, right?
Yeah.
So you're buying all this food, use it, cook it, make them. Don't go out 3 times that week when you have all this food in your fridge.
Yeah, and not a lot of people my age will actually do something like this, which is part of the reason why I wanted to do it. And inflation, man, is ruining everything.
Exactly.
You can't go to Wendy's under $25
I know,
now.
it's so awful.
For 2 people.
Anywho, eat before you shop.
Oh,
this
yeah.
is a big one, and you already fell prey to this the other day, right?
Yeah.
You and Ashley went shopping, and you were starving, And you bought a whole bunch of crap.
We spent $50 on food, so.
For one night.
It was not good.
Because they were hungry. So you buy chips, you buy cookies, you just buy all this impulse stuff when you're hungry. So don't go shopping hungry.
Yes.
Save fancy meals for the weekend.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
So make your common meals during the week, have smorgasbord night, and then if you're gonna do something special, like get a steak or some shrimp or something, do it on the weekend.
Make it special.
Make it special.
But don't do it every night.
Don't do it every night.
Because then you're gonna blow your bank.
Yeah, that's right. When something's on sale, buy several of them. Even though you might be going over your budget, in the long run,
You'll save money.
you're saving money. You'll have to learn in the beginning until you get a little more established. Like Mrs. Dash is cheaper at Walmart, so you might make a Walmart run and get some of these expensive spices.
Yeah.
You might go to the dollar store to buy your toilet paper and your paper products rather than the grocery store. So you might find yourself making several different stops at several different places until you don't have to do that anymore. You want to go to your pantry and see what you already have. Because how many times have you gone in there and you'll see like 5 mayonnaises? Because I didn't realize I already had 4.
Yeah.
So I bought.
Like, oh, I must need more mayonnaise.
And that's a waste of money, unless it's on sale, you know. But also buy store brand when you can.
Yeah.
Like, I love ShopRite's potato chips.
Yeah.
And they're so much cheaper.
Yeah, there's actually a great video by another food channel called Food Theory. And he did a great video about generic versus name brand stuff. A lot of the time, it's like virtually indistinguishable. And a lot of the time, the name brand stuff is making the generic stuff for a company like ShopRite.
Oh, interesting.
So it's actually pretty much the same product.
Ah, a little trickery going on here.
So
only buy meat when it's on sale.
only buy meat when it's on sale.
And now, so this takes a little discipline because you might want steak, but it's not on sale.
No.
You might want chicken, but it's not on sale.
Yeah, maybe the pork loin's on sale. On stale? Hope it's not stale.
It's not sale.
Hope it's on sale. So you might be like, all right, I'm having pork loin this week.
Right. And one last thing, always have eggs in the fridge.
Always gotta have egg in the fridge.
Because eggs can be a great meal. Making a frittata and some sliced tomatoes or some asparagus. Also, raviolis. Good to have in your pantry at all times.
Maybe we should do that
Maybe
for a
we
future
should.
episode.
I think that's all I have for you right now, Coop.
Wow, all right. That was really informative, Mom. Thank you so much. This is going to be very helpful. And we just wanted to let you guys know, too, that these meals that we said in this video, we're going to make them in future episodes.
We are.
So that's why we didn't really go into all the ingredients and the nitty gritty. It's because in the next few episodes, we are going to make these meals and go into details about all the ingredients. Maybe we'll list the prices too, see how it fit into the budget, and it's gonna be really good. So stick around for those.
Yay! Good job, Coop.
Thanks, Mom. And thank you guys for watching. We hope you enjoyed, and consider subscribing if you would like to see more content from me and Mom. See you next time. I'll say it again.
What does that have to do with anything?
Because...
Oh, because you're making it special.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, I'll say it again. Cut. Editor, cut that out.